Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to crochet this little strawberry for keychain or earring. For this purpose, I'm using a thin 3-ply cotton yarn and a 4mm steel crochet hook. First of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this and make a magic ring, which is basically a loose slip knot. Now to start your first row, make chain 3, which is counted as our first double crochet stitch. Now make chain 1, go into the magic ring, pull the yarn, pull through 2 loops and then pull through 2 loops to make a second double crochet stitch. Now make chain 1, go into the same magic ring and make third double crochet stitch. Make chain 1, go into the same magic ring, repeat the same pattern and make double crochet 4, make chain 1 and make double crochet 5 and make 12 double crochet stitches. After completing 12 double crochet stitches, pull the starting yarn to form a ring. Make your last double crochet stitch, go into the top of chain 3, starting chain 3 and make a slip stitch and pull the extra yarn. Now with the help of this starting yarn tail, pull this tight and take this starting yarn tail to the upside from chain 3 and pull this yarn tail to the upside. Always leave a yarn tail to make 9 chains. After completing your chains, skip 6 stitches and go into the middle, pull the yarn and make a slip stitch. Here you can add your keychain with the help of jump ring. Now weave these 2 extra yarn because we are going to change color of the yarn. So to change the color, first of all make a slip knot and remove your crochet hook from that loop. Go into any of chain 1 space and make chain 3, which is counted as our first double crochet stitch. Now go into the same space and make double crochet 2 and go into the same space and make double crochet 3. Now weave this extra yarn with the help of needle. After weaving this extra yarn, go into the second chain 1 space and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3. So this is our granny pattern. Now go into the next chain 1 space and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and double crochet 3. So this is very simple and easy pattern. So always go into the chain 1 space and make 3 double crochet stitches into every chain 1 space. Repeat the same pattern. So after completing your first row, so now for the second row, go into the next double crochet stitch and make a slip stitch. Go into the next double crochet stitch and make a slip stitch. Now between these two, 3 double crochet stitches. Go into the space between them and make a slip stitch, and then start your row by making chain 3. Go into the same space, don't go into the stitch, go into the space and make 2 more double crochet stitches. Now go into the next space between these 3 double crochet stitches and make 3 double crochet stitches. Now go into the next space by skipping 3 double crochet stitches. Go into the space and make 3 double crochet stitches. Now go into the next and make 3 double crochet stitches. Fourth time, must count your stitches. This is fourth time. Go into the next space by skipping 3 double crochet stitches and make 3 double crochet stitches. Fifth time, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After completing 5, skip this next stitch and by skipping 6 double crochet stitches, go into the next space and make 3 double crochet stitches. As you can see, skip this stitch and now again make 5. We have done 1 3 double crochet stitches and this is our second 3 double crochet stitches. Now go into the next space and make 3 double crochet stitches. Third time, now go into the next space and make 3 double crochet stitches. Fourth time, now go into the next space and make 3 double crochet stitches. Fifth time. So this is our simple and easy granny pattern after completing 5 times. Now again skip this stitch, directly go into the chain 3 and make a slip stitch to finish your row. We are going to repeat the same pattern of gradually decreasing. So now make slip stitch 3 times into this double crochet stitch and the space between 3 double crochet stitches and start your row with chain 3 and make 2 double crochet stitches. Now go into the next space and make 3 double crochet stitches. Second time, go into the next space and make 3 double crochet stitches. Third time, go into the next space and make 3 double crochet stitches. Fourth time. So in first row of decreasing we have made 5. Now make 4 and skip this corner space and directly go into the second space and make 3 double crochet stitches. One time go into the second space and make 3 double crochet stitches. Second time, go into the next space and make 3 double crochet stitches. Third time, go into the next space and make 3 double crochet stitches. Fourth time, and now you can see the shape after completing 4. Again skip this corner space, directly go into chain 3 to make a slip stitch to finish this row. Now again make slip stitches to these 2 double crochet stitches. Go into this space between 3 double crochet stitches and make a slip stitch and start your row with chain 3 and 2 double crochet stitches first time. So now we are going to decrease this to 3 times. So this is second time. Go into the next space and make 3 double crochet stitches. Third time. After making it, now skip this corner space, directly go into the second space and make 3 double crochet stitches first time. Go into the next space and make 3 double crochet stitches second time. Go into the next space and make 3 double crochet stitches third time, and again skip the second corner and make slip stitch to finish your row. In next row we are going to make 3 double crochet stitches 2 times by decreasing. You can see the shape. If you find the speed of the video too high, you can slow down the speed from 3 dots. So this is 2 times 3 double crochet stitches. Now skip that corner, go into the next space and make 3 double crochet stitches 1 time. Go into the next space and make 3 double crochet stitches second time. Now skip this corner and make a slip stitch to chain 3. If you want to make a bigger strawberry, you can take thick crochet yarn and you can increase your first row double crochet stitches in even number, like you can take 14 double crochet stitches, 16 double crochet stitches or 18 double crochet stitches if you want to increase the size. Now in this last row, make 3 double crochet stitches 1 time, skip the corner, go into the second space and make 3 double crochet stitches for second side, and then skip the corner and make a slip stitch to the chain 3 in this last row. After making slip stitch, you can pull the extra yarn and cut it off. So now our strawberry is completed. Weave this extra yarn. So I hope you guys like this tutorial, so must try. You can use this mini strawberry in keychain ring and earrings. Please like, share and subscribe.